The UK government conducted the nationwide test of its emergency alert system on Sunday, September 7, 2025 at 3 p.m. Key details about this test shows compatible 4G and 5G mobile phones and tablets across the UK received a test alert. Devices emitted a loud siren-like sound and vibrated for about 10 seconds, even if they were set to silent. What was the message? The alert included a message clarifying it was only a test and that no action was required.
Emergency. Follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. Find simple and effective advice on how to prepare for emergencies at gov.uk/prepare. Visit gov.uk/alerts for more information or to view this message in Welsh. gov.uk/alerts and ragor owy bodaeth noi I weld y neges hon y Gymraeg.
That was the second nationwide test of the system following the first in April 2023. Regular testing ensures the system functions correctly in case of a real life-threatening emergency such as extreme weather. How could you opt out? It is possible to opt out of the alert. The government has provided instruction on how to do this for individuals who may have a concealed phone, such as victims of domestic abuse. Um, what should drivers do? Anyone driving when the alert sounded was advised not to pick up their phone, as it is illegal to use a handheld device while driving. Drivers should find a safe and legal place to stop before checking the message. That is the message, according to the AI. On the 7th of September 2025, UK government made another alert, the second of its type, to alert everyone in the country to be alerted in the case of emergency. This alert test came at exactly 3 o'clock, and all devices, actually considerably 95% of the devices in the UK, received these alerts. The government carried out this national test of the UK emergency alert system, and the test alert was sent to all 4G and 5G mobile phones and compatible tablets across the UK. This follows the first successful national test in April. But why government is doing this? Well, the government is doing this because they really want you to keep cool. The intention is for you to alert you of the situations in which there is an imminent danger to life, such as extreme weather events or during a terror attack. According to the Special Secretary, Patty McFadden, the new work and the Special Secretary said, the test is to make sure the system works well when we need it most. So the message actually came on board, and most of the devices actually being alerted at 3 o'clock on the 7th of September 2025. As actually myself was on my phone, all the devices I have on was actually showing the alert. And it's actually reasonably, it went on for almost 30 seconds. And the message in there reads like this. Let me read out what the message says in one of the screenshot I've got on my device. It says, 1. Severe alerts. This is a test of emergency alerts, a UK government service that will warn you if there's a life-threatening emergency nearby. You do not need to take any action in a real emergency. Follow the instructions in the alert to keep yourself and others safe. Find simple and effective advice on how to prepare for emergencies at gov.uk/prepare. Visit gov.uk/alert for more information or to view the message in Welsh. So that was it as it sent on the phone and was really seen on most of the devices across the UK.
Perhaps we are looking for one of a kind, the cultural exhibitions around the world, all traveled and places. Stay tuned to my channel, KB Jojo Newsbox, where I intend to give you every vital information, updates, interesting places, places of interest, tourism, and about people, culture around the world. Stay tuned on this channel. We promise to give you more. It's Thank you.
And if the fates should bless us with a moment of reprieve, we all could stand together in the silence and just breathe. Rejoice for all the happiness, mourn for all the grief. that's all that I ask.